part 2 of the campus tour. This is, as you know, and I am Village. He is also from
Mechanical Department.
and we are from,
And I am from Patna, Bihar.
and you all know this guy. He is not important. Let's go. So, ready? So we'll go to administration block first. This is the way, and this is the core mechanical labs and administrative buildings. And here there is a canteen here and the way to hostels. All hostels H1, H2, H3, H4. And we'll go to administrative block first. So.
So this is the entry of our great institute, Iiitdm. And when we enter our institute, we just get on the left hand side. This is the academic block and incubation center of our college. And this is the main point or main junction of our institute. From here we are either diverted to the lecture hall complex or to the library and the computer center. This is the way to the lecture hall complex, and just on the left hand side of this road, and on the left hand side of this road we are having, you can see the library and the computer center, that building.
As you can see, all the hall of residences, everything that exists in IIIT you can see it here. Wheelchair hostel, library, PHC, NR1, NR2, Reva residency, core lab complex, lecture hall, hall of residency. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hall of residency currently, and 2, 3 are in building. Mess and dining hall, SSC, quarters, Suraksha 1, they have not mentioned, lecture hall and tutorial complex, they have mentioned. Everything is there. It exists in IIIT.
Campus we will see just beautiful.
Yes, as Ansh is saying, this is the road which leads to glory. So come here, we will get a 360 view of the campus from here, where you can see all the important buildings in the campus. Like from here, you can see this is the behind the lecture hall. This is our main LHTC. Will go there. You will see the video later. That is computer center and library. If you can zoom, you will see visitors hostel, that is Narmada residency, that is faculty residence, and you will get an amazing view here. this is our Hans. He's coming. Look at his beautiful smile. बचना है हसीनो. लो मैं आ गया.
प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर. आपको कभी भी कुछ हो, सर दर्द, खांसी या कुछ भी परेशानी हो, आप यहाँ आए, आपको एक पैरासीटामोल मिल जाएगा. हाँ, खा के ठीक हो जाइएगा. अंदर एडमिट भी हो सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. As we are seeing that this is one of the most important building of Iiitdm. It has multiple roles. First, the ground floor is divided into mainly two parts. The first part is the library part, and the second part is the computer center. And in the first floor we have our computer science department lab.
And we'll go and visit it. Come.
As you are seeing that this is the main entrance of our library and the computer science lab department. It is just beside our academic part building. This is mainly the back side of the academic part building. Just see the lighting of our beautiful building. Profile. Now it is inaugurated by the Mr. S3B Segan, member of Board of the Governors.
On 22nd, 2019. So it's not that old.
Now we are entering the library part. This is the list of the staff members. In the whole campus, the whole building has air conditioning.
It is fully air conditioned library and computer center.
Now this is the library part, and before entering that we have to submit our bag here, and once we move inside, we have to register our name. And this is our main library where we have to sit and read. We can issue any book from there. Our library. This library is divided into two parts. Mainly the first part is where we can issue our books, and second part is the reading hall, where we can sit and read books anytime. It is open 24/7.
The reason it is empty because there are not a lot of, it's evening time and there are not a lot of students right now on the campus. That's why we are.
See that this is our library, and just beside this part we have our computer center, and same process is there. Once we enter inside it, we have this is the system administration, where we have to register our names before entering into the center. Just come, and we have to submit. We have flags there. Just come. Here we have to give our name, input our names before entering the lab. And this is our computer lab, computer center. library and the computer center. Now we are moving ahead towards the computer science lab. We are going through the stairs, we are not using our lift. So come. As we have seen that we have moved ahead in the stairs, we have our computing lab.
But while being not shown unless called, you can see here peak. You can see how big and huge